This is your 10-minute hot HIIT workout. You will be doing 45 seconds on with a 15-second rest. Let's smash it.
Get any higher.
gonna leave. Just one shot of Hennessy. Next thing you're all over me, all over me. We act like we're hard to get, but we know this is imminent. Cause we keep falling right into it, right into it. We were only fun till you show me love. You bring me up into the place I love, the place I love. I can't control myself because I'm very dust. 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 I still hurt, still hurt. I still hurt myself. I still hurt. Started out being innocent. Big words promised everything. All along we knew this was bad. This was bad. Gotta end, gotta make it stop. We can't pretend that this is love. But then we touch and it all gets lost in pink clouds and fairy dust. We were only fun till you showed me love. You bring me up into the place I love, the place I love. I can't control myself because I'm very dust. 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 I still hurt, still hurt. I still hurt, think myself. I still hurt.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your
showing up for you today and for joining me. Do cool down. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so I remind you to move. Share the love with your friends and family and give them the gift of movement. I'll see you back here super soon. Bye for now.